Next Gen Embedded Linux Qt demo. So we're going to demo supporting a Qt app in this build system. And why is Qt interested? So Qt is interesting because it's very popular with embedded systems. It's a graphical toolkit used for native apps, and it's kind of the mainstay if you have a display on your device and you want to display a nice user interface. So let's start up Yo. So first thing we're going to do is hit S for settings. We're going to go to image and select the Qt image. So if we edit this, we'll press E to edit this unit definition. And it includes a Qt demo application. If we edit the Qt demo application, we'll find it runtime deps are Qt declarative, Qt base X11, some fonts, and different things like that. And this is just a QML demo, so it's nothing fancy. But these dependencies actually get pulled in from the Alpine module. So let's filter on Qt, and now you can see that the dependencies for Qt come from the Alpine community repo. So the neat thing is these automatically get pulled in. You just have to figure out what Alpine package you need, and the build system will automatically pull those into your feed and wrap those binary assets. So let's reset our search to in the Qt image with a backslash. And let's go ahead and one more thing we need to set. So there's now a QEMU settings page for the settings, and you can specify memory, display, and additional network ports. Currently the display is off. We just have the QEMU serial console. So let's go ahead and turn the display on. The other thing we added was the complete command line down here we're using to fire up QEMU. And this is useful. You could copy this into a script or some external system. But you can also see how complex this is, to remember all this and keep it in scripts. If you can see how this is changing. So it's a lot of stuff to remember, and this is one of the conveniences we're trying to provide. So let's turn that on, and let's go back and run this with the R key. And there it is, our little demo app running in a QEMU graphical instance. So one thing I'm learning through all this development is QEMU is a very useful tool for developing a build system like this. You can quickly test your units, test your build, and do all this on the comfort of your main workstation. And then once all the units are working, it's not much of a lift to just build an image for an embedded target or whatever else you're targeting. So the significant things again are Qt support and also QEMU display support in the QEMU emulator. That's it. Thanks.